양근 댄스 천som
네, 난 밤, 꿀대요.
좀 제규의 좀 쇼.
It happens to all of us.
Paintings some date back to over several thousand years can be found here.
The Bugla Palace is one of the most brilliant architectural buildings standing on the
which made the festival as a political event, the main body of the Bugla Palace remained the same.
You guys are doing interesting.
We all make our own choices and see which one's better.
Umling road goddess, Maui is Yanas, air, Kubian ship, and Kachuo. The son, he knew the rich young man. He actually was a coolie, a laborer in the British.
Was land surrounded by snow mountains. So at your age, His Holiness the Dalai Lama had to take over the temporal and religious responsibility of the whole of Tibet. You can imagine for a young boy.
Who recognizes this guy?
I do.
김충성 강의 잘하나 게 partner 대 부부 충성 아니
觉得你不其实忙不得啊，是被你给我的，甚至皮这样的，这个呢，有的他们呢。
마시면 로직 사와싱소 아니
This week has been really fun at the summer camp. We did a lot of fun things. We watched a lot of movies. They were all really interesting. And we made a really cool puzzle.
이제 먼저 movies 이제 창원 때부터 그래 보는도 기우대 이제 먼저 창원 때 그래.
Fun. We ate pizza and we learned stuff about Tibet. He built the Poda Palace. My teamwork buddy was this guy over here. You built a palace. And after this way, but the other way is the whole one. That's what I'm not.